guys? Welcome to our Minecraft Forever world. Today we are going to be working on a special build. So I'm not going to tell you guys what it is, but I'll give you hints along the way. So make sure to watch to the end so you know what I'm doing. So the first thing you need to know is we're going to need a lot of food. And it involves these guys. Where right now we only have 4. And in the end, we're just gonna have a lot, and that's all I know. So, first, we're gonna need to make some armor, because we are gonna need to do a lot of stuff in this episode. Yeah. So, we got a chest plate. Let me put all this in here. So, we have inventory space. Wait, we need this for breeding dogs. Oh crap, that gave it away, didn't it? So yeah, we're breeding a lot of dogs in this video. But I'm not gonna tell you why just yet. And then I was lying why we got this wood at last episode. We're getting it for a very different but better. You could call it a better reason. I just don't know if everybody would. But yeah, my allergies have gotten the best of me once again. So there might be a few sniffles here and there. And oh my gosh, what is going on with the chat again? Holy. Why does it do this? Okay. There. So let's get this. No, we don't need this actually. We have sticks. Um let's mine this and put it right here as a little nightstand or something. So we're gonna need this and this. Um so the first step is just to dig a giant bunker and to suit up in iron armor. And bang. We have a lot of protection now. So where I'm thinking of building this is just making like a little entrance right here. Well, not really a little entrance, a grand entrance. And this bunker isn't gonna be small. So I'm gonna see you guys when I have finished digging this bunker, because it's gonna take a very, very long time. So we finished, and I did the floor of the build as well. So this is what it looks like right now. And now we just need to move the dogs inside. So let's hope none of them get confused. Okay. Okay. You can sit up, you can sit up. Bang. Okay, guys, come on. Everybody. Oh my gosh. You two, stop. One at a time. One at a time. Okay, come here. Doggy. Everybody. Come on. Oh my gosh, you two guys. You guys need to cut it out. Come on, dudes. Okay, guys. Dang it. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Okay, for now, they are good. Let's go to sleep. Okay. In the morning, oh, well, right now, we're going to start breeding them with these for now. Oh my gosh. Wait, okay. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, perfect. No, 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 no. Okay. No, 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 no. No, come back, little doggy. Come back. Okay. So we've bred them as much as we can. So for every view this video gets, we're gonna breed them one more time. So that's gonna be a lot of breeding if we get like 300 views, and we're gonna have to expand this area. So right now we have not that many dogs. We have 5 dogs. So over time, the more views we get on this video, or if I say this for other videos, the more views, the more views, the more dogs we'll have. So let's say we get 100 views on this video. I'll get I'll mm, put I'll breed 100 dogs for you guys. So that's gonna take a very long time, but hopefully it's worth it. And if you want our dog army to expand, just actually subscribe, and I'll make one more dog. For every subscriber I get from now on, well, from the videos I say it on, I'll breed a dog. Okay? I'll breed one dog. And we don't have the food for that right now. So hopefully we don't get too many subscribers. And looks like one of our wheat's finished growing. Yay! We got our first wheat, guys. Gave us 2 seeds. Perfect. So yeah. If we get like 30 subscribers, we'll be at 50 subscribers. That's our next goal, let's say. And I'll have to breed 30 dogs. So if you guys want to see me suffer, start subscribing like right now, and I'll suffer even more for getting all this food and getting enough materials to make it this space better. So yeah, I'm basically gonna suffer at your command. So if you want to see me do that, just subscribe. Okay, so we're gonna have to get a lot of food. Where what I'm thinking we do is with our one wheat that we have, start luring a ton of animals in here. Which I think we'll do that next episode. And this episode, with the food that we have, we try to breed them. I'm gonna breed them with the food that isn't good, because my 28 cooked mutton I don't really want to breed with for reasons that you probably know. Oh crap, wait. I can't feed you. Yeah, I can't feed you guys. Okay, sit back down. Wait. I just fed all my food to you. How fat are you? How much food do you need to grow? Okay, so this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and remember, subscribe if you want more dogs, because we only have 5 right now. And if you want more dogs, remember to subscribe. So I'll see you all later.